Looking for the right coffee equipment supplier at the Canton Fair? Come on over. Canton Fair booth 3.1, 21 to 22. The Amalfi booth can meet all your needs, from coffee machines to grinders to ice makers to high-quality coffee beans. We offer true one-stop procurement, making your supply chain simpler and more efficient. We have our own sheet metal and injection molding workshops, producing core components ourselves, fully supporting OEM and ODM. And our MOQ is very friendly. We have international certifications like CE, ETL, and KC. All our products are certified, and our quality is globally recognized. Welcome to the Canton Fair, booth 3.1C 21 to 22, the Amalfi booth. Follow us to get even more favorable services